I shoot the lights out high till it's bright out. Oh, just another lonely night. Are you willing to sacrifice your life?
Yeah. Monster motherfucker, you know I been one of them. Niggas so shady cause they know I been son of them. Monster motherfucker, you know I been one of them. Niggas so shady cause they know I been son of them. Irrational methods, I will thrash you in seconds. Wait until your spirit rise, then ask for your blessing. I'm insane, I'm deranged, bonkers, Blanca. Nigga, you should know that I'm a motherfucking monster. I'm so demented and cemented in my brain. Every pretty woman worldwide supposed to give me brain till I squirt off. Damn, what a jerk off. First off, fuck y'all. Haters on the balls of a better man. Pause then behead a man. Eat your ass alive. Murder the other guys while your ass is digesting in. I'm wondering, should I put them asunder then? Begin with the plundering, devour every one of them. And I ain't talking to no particular one of them, but if a nigga wanted then bring them, I'ma done them in. Come again, I'ma make more money than I can ever spend in. If you got a girl, better lock her in. Cause the one that's with me now in the telly got some dumb nigga named Twan on her belly. Let's discuss this, I'm not to be fucked with. Have no fear, so I see no peers. I'm so far gone, they don't see me here. Plus I'm so far grown, but you see no beard. Yeah, murder game, slit shit from ear to ear. Breaking women's heart when I tell them what they never